In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Adobe Reader. By the end, you'll be able to quickly mark important sections in any PDF, perfect for reviewing documents, studying, or filling out forms. First, open Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. Give it a moment to load so the home screen and toolbars are fully ready. If you've recently used it, it may open the last document you viewed. That's fine, but we'll switch to the file you want to highlight. Next, open your PDF. You can click Open File on the home screen, go to File, and then open from the top menu, or simply drag and drop your PDF into the window. Once your document appears, make sure you can see the page clearly. If the text looks small, adjust the zoom so you can comfortably read and select the words you plan to highlight. Now let's choose the Highlight tool. Look for the highlighter icon in the toolbar. If it's not visible, open the Comment Tools panel, where highlight text is one of the primary options. When the tool is active, your cursor will change to indicate you're in highlight mode. Apply your highlight by selecting text with the left mouse button. Click and drag across the exact words or sentences you want to emphasize, then release to apply the highlight. If you only need a single word, a quick click and drag over that word does the trick. For longer passages, drag smoothly across lines. Acrobat Reader will follow your selection. If the highlight doesn't appear, check whether the PDF is actually text-based. Scanned images without selectable text won't highlight until text recognition is applied. And if you accidentally grab the wrong section, use Undo to step back and try again. If you want a different look, change the highlight color. After you apply a highlight, a small formatting pop-up usually appears. Click the color swatch to pick from options like yellow, green, or blue. Choose a color that stands out from the page but still keeps your document readable. You can also revisit any existing highlight, select it, and change its color the same way, which is helpful for color-coding topics or priorities. That's it. Open your PDF, pick the Highlight tool, select the text with a left-click drag, and adjust the color if needed. With these simple actions, your PDFs become clearer, more organized, and far easier to review.